sorry, the phone ring, my bad. And butter.
The growiness of the diet, but very good. What is this? It's spicy.
No, it's actually, bread and butter pickle something.
Ooh.
Nope, relish.
Relish. Spicy relish nonetheless.
No, it's not spicy relish, it's sweet relish.
Mustard.
Why is Lauren eating everything out of my refrigerator?
She must be very
Oh
hungry.
crap, no, they know it's not a refrigerator. Real lemon. Oh,
The camera.
real lemon.
Can I try some?
Yeah, go for it.
We like to pass things around. Next, the beer.
Jordan, you want some? Sure.
And now I'm going to drink it because that's brilliant. You know what? I'm going to take another swing. Just a second.
Lauren, I believe your cell phone is ringing.
Wow! Go get your phone.
Put the lemon juice back. Put the lemon juice back. Let's watch Lauren answer her cell phone.
Because that is quite fascinating.
No, maybe not. Let's continue touring the refrigerator. Wait. We seem to have something in the back. Oh. Gatorade! G2. Notice the 2. You say G2. G2. Lauren's answering her cell phone. Let's just.
She's just walking away from us.
This is the G2.
Yes.
Notice the 2.
G1. Let him be confused with G1.
Whatever the hell that is.
You have ketchup in your door.
Ketchup!
Oh my god.
Heinz!
The tomatoes.
Very good. Aren't you on the phone, Lauren?
I'm gonna give it tomatoes. I'm gonna give it tomatoes. And this is what black one.
Oh. I see we also have salsa. Yasta!
Oh.
Okay, I'm fairly certain this doesn't say it's $669.
No, it's $6.69.
Oh my god, thunder. Okay.
Whatever, damn it.